The story of the two sons. There is a story in the Bible about a man that had a huge garden. Apparently, this garden was really big, with a lot of things that needed to be done. This man had two sons. He told his first son to go work in the huge garden. Right away, this son said, "No way," and walked away. Later, this son came back to his father and apologized. Then he immediately went out to the garden and began to work. Then the man told his second son to go help his brother work in the garden. This son immediately said, "Yes, sir." But when his father was not watching, this son did what he wanted to do instead of working in the garden. The first son was rebellious and said no, but later repented and did what his father told him to do. The second son said he would do what his father said, but never did it. Which son did right? When we sin and disobey God and realize what we have done, it's important to repent and ask for forgiveness, then immediately do what God originally had asked us to do.